My dear friends, a very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Narisha.
First of all, I would like to thank to Mr. Neeraj sir who provided me such a nice chance to speak here in front of you. Myself Nadiksha from Proud 90 Standard. Today I am here to solve some questions related to our chapter 13 Mathematics. Our chapter name is Surface Areas and Volumes. Today our topic is surface area and volumes. I will solve question from exercise 13.3. Our first question. Our question is diameter of the base of cone is 10.5. Diameter of cone which is given as 10.5 centimeter. So by diameter we can find radius. So radius of cone which is represented as small r, that will be half of diameter, means 10.5 divided by 2, and its length height is 10 centimeter. Slant height which is represented by L, that is 10 centimeter. So in this question we have to find out its curved surface area. So curved surface area of cone. Yes friends, anybody know what is the curved surface area of cone? Yes Vanshika.
Pi r.
Okay, right answer. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L, where pi value is 22/7 and our radius is given as 10.5 divided by 2 and our slant height is given as 10 centimeter. So we have to cut this decimal, and after cutting this decimal there we will replace 10. So 10 to 10. So 11 multiply 15. Anybody know the calculation of 11 multiply 15? Yes, Himani.
165 centimeters.
Yes. So our answer is 165 centimeter square. So it is our first question from exercise 13.3. Now I am going to solve the second question. So our next question is find the total surface area of cone. In second question we have to find out the total surface area of cone, and slant height is given as slant height which is represented by L, that is 21 meter, and diameter is 24 meter. So by diameter we can find out the radius of cone, that will be half of diameter. So diameter upon 2, 24 by 2, that will be 12 meters. So in this question we have to find out the total surface area of cone. So total surface area of cone. So anybody know what is the total surface area of cone? Yes, Lavish. Yes, right answer. So total surface area of cone is pi r l plus r. So as we know that pi value is 22/7 and radius is 12 meter and our slant height is 21 meter and our radius is 12 meter. So we have to plus out them. That will be 22/7 multiply by 12. That will be 33. So we have to solve this calculation. That is 22/7 into 12 into 33. So anybody know the calculation of this answer? Yes, Imani.
1244.57 meters.
So our calculation answer is 1244.5 meter square. So now we will move to our next question. So if we have to find out the slant height, the formula for slant height is under root r square plus h square. So that's all about my topic. I hope you understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.